In this video we'll create a user with lower privileges than the root user. Basically the new user will inherit the privileges that we've established in our applications group. So you have to type IAM, enter, and users, add users, username, I will type it just as test user. You can choose a better naming for this user, as this very user will store some security credentials which I will show you them, so I'm gonna delete that user just right after the video will be finished. So first of all, we want to have an access key and password. So I will create a notepad file, as I will need it later on. So first of all, I'm gonna copy the name of the user. I just want to have a quick access to those credentials, as I will need them later on. So I'll create some just simple password, ABC, ABC, and I think a special character as well. So just Control-C, Control-V. No, we don't want this option. Okay, next, permissions. And here we are gonna pick our applications group. See, we've created the group earlier on and it's already there, so we can just click it. Because later on, during the life of your AWS account, you will have a bunch of groups. For this tutorial, we've got just one group, which will perfectly suit to our needs. So I've picked the group. Next, tags. There's nothing here, nothing there. Create user. And now click download CSV. So I have downloaded the CSV file, and if you'll open it, there are two very important informations here: the access key and the security key. So basically you will need those options later on. Just make sure to keep them secure, and that's it. So go back to the account. We can click close. Okay, then click test user, and we have to perform similar security credentials as we've created for the root user. So basically during the login operations, we want to use our mobile phone with the Google application to provide us the code, the Google Authenticator to provide us a code to perform the authentication process. Password is already created, so now we have to assign MFA device. So just manage virtual MFA device, continue, show QR code. Okay, click plus button on your Google Authenticator application, scan the code. I've just scanned it, and now I've got a code to type 970. And if you look closer to your Google Authenticator, that you will realize that you've got two codes displayed at the same time. One of them is for root account and another is for a test user. This is our test user, so I was waiting for the new code, so it's 172990. Assign MFA. close. Okay, and one more thing, we need this line here, so I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here. Okay, so basically that's all what we've had to do. The user account has been prepared, so we can sign out, then sign into the console, and now I'm gonna use that user that we have created. So click I am user here, copy paste this line and paste it here. Next. Okay, once again, go back to that file, copy paste this line and paste it here. Yeah, so now we've got the account, we've got the IAM username, password. So now we have to change the IAM username to test user, and we have to provide our new password. Okay, sign in, and an MFA code, which this time is 411364. Submit, and that's it. So just bear in mind to keep those secrets in a safe place. You will use it you will need them later on, and in next video we will create our private virtual cloud in our AWS account.